Hi, this is Liberty from Before and Afters, and I am going to show you how to laminate a sticker so that the laminate comes around the edges a little more, and I'll show you what I mean. So you need a sticker that you have made either by hand or with a machine. I made this one with my Cricut. You need a piece of wax paper, a brayer, scissors, and cold laminate. This is like a giant piece of tape. So I'm going to unroll this upside down so it doesn't stick yet, and cut off a piece here. Okay, so I'm going to take my sticker, put it upside down carefully to make it smooth, cut off my extra for now. And I'm actually going to go ahead and use my smaller scissors to cut around, but I want to leave a little extra, so I'll show you what I mean. So I'm trying to keep it the same distance all the way around because I want it to look all even. I'm using my small scissors to do this because I have better control over these curves. Some people call these fussy cut scissors, or maybe fancy cut. I'm trying not to touch this sticky cold laminate as well because I don't want fingerprints on it. Just take as much time as you need. This is a big sticker and curvy. Okay, so see how I left a little border around the edge? That's what I wanted to do. Okay, now I'm going to lay it on my wax paper so that that extra sticky part can stick on it. And now I'm going to use my brayer and make sure it's on really good. Just roll this on. Some people like to use a credit card, but you might scratch your laminate if you do that. So now I can just leave it on this wax paper until I'm ready to use it for a sticker. When I'm ready to use it, I will just peel it off like this, and then I will peel off the sticker backing, and it will be all ready to use and nice and waterproof and sealed with that extra border around the edge. Thanks for watching.